All right, today we're gonna draw a fall leaf with a face on it. So the first thing we're gonna do is a white sheet of paper and a marker. You're using brown, I'm gonna use black. And so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with a line like this. Bring it all the way down. Yep. And then at the top, kind of do a squiggly line about to here. And then on the other side, the same thing. Okay. And then come up from your line down here, about right to here, about an inch up, and bring a squiggly line out like this. And same thing on the other side. And then from this line, a squiggly line back up like that. Another squiggly line back up here, like this. And then from here, we're gonna come out another squiggly line, all the way out. And the same thing on the other side, like that. Okay? And then from this line here, we're gonna come and connect it all the way to this line and make them squiggly. Yeah, bring it all the way back over. Cool. You could come out a little bit and then come back. All right, then from the lines around this point here, let's bring in a line like this. This point here, bring in a line like this. This point here, bring a line up. This point here, bring a line. And then what I like to do is little squiggly lines coming off it like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a face on it. So I'm gonna do a circle right here, like this. Another circle here. And then let's do like a U for a mouth. And then bring down another U underneath like that. And then let's give them eyes. Little circles inside the circle. Maybe some eyebrows. And then I'm gonna color in the mouth. And above his mouth, I'm gonna do a little circle, color it in for a nose. Make the eyebrows a little bigger. And then with this thing here, this is the stem. We could bring it out like that. And there we go. A few more little lines. Make it look like it's crinkly. And there's our fall leaf. Time to color.